So we are at the Crowne Plaza Hotel in Baton, Louisiana. That's the exit. Restrooms, library. It's a marketplace. Over there is your atrium. Rooms. More bathrooms. Right. Now to what we've been waiting for, the elevator ride. Let's go up. Still down. Okay. Yeah, that one right there. Let's go up to 5. This is a service elevator. Oh, these are locked. Let's go down. Oh. Down to 1. Emergency light, door code view, not bad at all there. See the phone handle's lost. This, your fixtures, fire alarm early. I think this is Adam's fixtures. I don't know. This is a weird elevator. Like, I don't know if this is like Otis. I don't know if it's. Alright, there it goes. And that's pretty much it.